Hello guys, in this tutorial we will learn how to install programs that we need for our app to be created. First we need to install Rust. If you already don't, you have to follow the instructions in their official website. After doing that, you have to check for cargo for Rust compiler version, and also cargo, which is the package manager for Rust cargo version. Okay, I have version 1.85. Second, we need Visual Studio Code, which I think you already have. With Visual Studio Code we need two extensions, Rust and Rust Analyzer. Okay, after that we need also Postgres. You could download Postgres from their official website, but I prefer Docker, so we'll go to Postgres official image in Docker. Go down, copy this without the dollar. If you copy from here, you will have the dollar, but I don't want this dollar because it will make error, and add here. If you want, like me and like we'll do in this tutorial, we want to connect to the database from a GUI like Table Plus, which I will talk about Table Plus. It's free for Windows and Mac with some limitations, but it's okay. Add porting 5432 to 5432. Okay, enter and you will have the container. I already have this container working here, so thank you.